From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 18th question of NECO 2025 is on matrices and it's simply on addition of matrices. It says if A is given as 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is given as 1, 0, 1, minus 1, find A plus 3B. So A plus 3B is simply 2, 3, 1, 2 plus 3 multiplying B, which is 1, 0, 1, minus 1. And this is 2, 3, 1, 2. And you know, when a constant multiplies a matrix, it multiplies all the entries. So this is plus 3, 0, 3, minus 3. And now, if you are adding two matrices together, you add their corresponding entries. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 minus 3, because this is plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And the correct option is A. Thank you for watching.